Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Cat Runner game, updated. Tap the screen to jump and swipe down to slide beneath obstacles. Start with short taps to time jumps and hold longer taps for higher arcs. Watch for gap patterns and enemy positions as you speed up. Use collected fish to buy boosts that extend runs and practice timing to chain combos for higher scores. Mastering controls is key to long runs in Cat Runner game. Use short taps for quick hops and longer presses when you need height. Swipe left or right to nudge your cat into coin lanes and avoid hazards. Learn obstacle rhythms and anticipate moving platforms for smoother runs. Focus on consistent timing and small corrective swipes to keep combos alive and maximize your score with fewer mistakes. Power-ups change how you approach each level in fun ways. Use temporary magnets to gather coins without risky maneuvers and activate shields before tight sequences. Save boosts for high-density coin sections or boss encounters to maximize value. Prioritize upgrades that suit your playstyle, like jump height for precision or magnet range for coin runs. Mix strategic spending with practice to steadily improve your high score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.